Good morning. So this is day 5 or part 4. I don't know, but basically it's the next day. So yeah, looking to add one more position in UK 100. Looking to add one position on DAX, and unfortunately I didn't take this entry like I was speaking about in the last video. At the end of the video I told you this was a good entry and this was what I was expecting. If we go to Discord, exactly what I was expecting, and market is now flying. So I didn't take it just because I wasn't at the PC, and yeah, so that's about it. And then, like I said, I'm looking to add positions on DAX and on UK 100. And that's about it for today. I need some kind of flush on this market. I need we have a flush on Hong Kong, so we could have, let's say this is the first MB, then I need something, one more MB, and keep going, taking energy. Spanish index, I need a flash the same as yeah, just I need a flash. And yeah, so I'll be back once something happens, because we have still 7 minutes for this candle to close below this candle's high, and if it does, then I'm placing my order. And yeah, so same shit for UK 100. Yeah, so that's it, and see you guys later. So I'm back, and just took an entry on UK 100. Just waiting for 0.8 R to place my stop on a break even, and yeah, that's it about this one. And of course I have this trade waiting for partial. Then on DAX I didn't get an entry, maybe later, who knows. Yeah, and waiting for that full take profit. And on Euro stocks nothing, and yeah, so that was my cat, sorry. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'll be back once something happens on UK or DAX or Euro stocks. So yeah, so unfortunately we got stopped out, and that's a loss on UK 100. I was waiting for 0.8 and it moved 0.6 R in profits, and then London opened and market stopped me out. So yeah, that's a loss still in this trade, and just will wait for this one. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out at break even and then go. So we'll see. Then DAX still running, probably will add one more position, and this one as well. So well, that's basically it for now. I'll be back. So hello, I'm back, and basically yeah, we got stopped out at on UK, and I will probably place new entry right here. And then DAX hit full take profit. Unfortunately I didn't get a new entry. And then Euro stocks as well hit full take profit. So yeah, gold flying as well, and yeah, so just waiting for UK 100 at the moment. So as you can see, we are right now $19,000 in profits with in our balance, and the floating profit is 21k, and yeah, so so yeah, I have placed new order right here on UK 100. So yeah, that's basically it for now. I will go to the gym and I'll be back, and yeah, we'll see what happens then.
A few moments later.
Hello, so I'm back from the gym, and so I took an UK trade and it was a break even. Basically I waited for 0.8 hour. We have 0.8 hour, and then it stopped me out at the break even. So yeah, this trade nothing to do anymore. On the UK as well, I don't really know what to do anymore. Basically we have this MB, and that this is the MB, the second one, and I need flush, let's say something like this, and then to enter again on UK 100. So yeah, I will not be taking trades probably. I hope that market does something like this, so this entry at least gets full take profit. And by the way, I took out 1 to 2 partial on this one. So right now we are we have doubled the account. So yeah, balance is 20k, so we are officially doubled the account. I have only this trade open at the moment, UK 100. Yeah, here was the partial. This one was the loss before that, and this was the break even. So yeah. Then Euro stocks was a full take profit. I don't remember if I showed you already, but yeah, Germany also was full take profit, and then Euro stocks was also full take profit. So yeah, we have doubled the account. That's good. And yeah, here are the trades on Euro stocks and DAX. So yeah, for basically at the moment, all of the markets on entry time frame are extended for me. So of course I'm still expecting bullishness and market to keep going higher and higher. The European indexes, for example, still on DAX we have beautiful target right here. We can delete this one. Still the all-time highs, and we are still at the all-time highs. We bounced off of the all-time high, so I am expecting probably move like this, but I will not take it. But yeah, I need something like this, and then new MBs, and I'm taking entry like this. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it. That's the same thing is on Euro stocks. Yeah, so and then this one, UK 100, just waiting for full take profit. And yeah, Hong Kong index also I need flush, and the same thing as always. Yeah, unfortunately this Spain index, I was waiting yesterday for some kind of flush. We could call this as a flush, and then this could be the first MB and this could be the second one, but EMAs were so, I didn't like it. And yesterday, as you know, we took French index, we took Eurostox, DAX, gold, UK 100, so I had like 5 positions open at the same time, 4 positions, and yeah, so that's why I didn't take it. But at the moment, still expecting same shit, run to the all-time highs. Just I need a flush, and then the same thing. And yeah, that's basically for every index on European index. French index also, as you remember, we had an entry, it stopped us out at break even and went higher. So yeah, basically at the moment there's nothing anymore to do. We'll manage this one, and yeah, so I will be back once something happens. I'm back, and yeah, so I was looking for a trade right here as the second MB, but didn't happen, and here was the first one, and I thought maybe this will be the second one, but we failed. And now on UK 100 waiting for this as the first one, or if it fails then it fails, and I'm still in this position. So yeah, Then French index finally has some kind of flush, so we could expect first, second, something like that. And yeah, then Hong Kong index, I will place an order in 1 minute if this candle closes below the previous candle, and if that happens, then I will place an order. Then Euro stocks starts to make the first MB after some kind of flush, and then DAX as well, some kind of flush below the EMA, so looks nice. Want to see MB, MB, and we keep running the all-time highs. So I placed an order right here. Market taps this line, then we are in a trade, and yeah, that's it for now. So I'm back. I changed a little bit the overlay, as you can see, so you can easily see the profit and loss every time I record. So yeah, at the moment, as you can see, we got stopped out at UK trade, unfortunately, and yeah, that's break even. Oh no, it's not a break even. We made 1 hour on this trade. So I'm back, and basically I took a Euro stocks entry. This as the first MB, this as the second one, and we have a fractal inside there. So yeah, spread at the moment on Euro stocks isn't the best, so I got filled right here, not here, but it is what it is. Yeah, then Hong Kong index is just stagnating, probably no entry today, but we will see. Maybe it will do something like this. But yeah, at the moment there's nothing really to do. UK, nothing. This one, yeah, I made the first MB. Maybe this could be the second MB, and we could do something like this. It is a possibility. We'll see when this market closes. Actually, it also closes 10:30. So yeah, maybe we'll take something like this. We'll see if it gives the setup. Then Spanish index, nothing. It's just too extended. And DAX, yeah, still nothing. DAX is building something right here, but still not there's no first MB, so wait for something like this and this, and then take an entry. So yeah, we have just Euro stocks at the moment. And then on the stock side, actually this one looks pretty nice, but not for today. Again, the same thing. I need MB, MB, and we are doing the same thing on a repeat, as you can see. Yeah, so no other stock is really setting up. Of course, US market still is dropping down, so of course all these stocks will drop down as well. Yeah, starting actually Netflix starting to build, I would say, first context MB. I would wait for something like this, and we will have 2 MBs, and inside there I would wait for pause, and on 4 hour it would look like something like this. And at this point, once we have flush on 4 hour, we start to break again to the upside with an MBs inside there, the same thing on repeat on 30 minutes. But yeah, at the moment really nothing. I would say that we have 2 MBs on validation, but it doesn't matter because I still want to see that context second MB and then enter. But I'll write down that we have 1 MB and here we have 2 MBs. So yeah. At the moment nothing to do. We could place an alert. and zoom. Yeah, nothing. If you start to build, you could say this is the first MB and this could be the second one. And actually, I would say so, yeah, this could be the first. And this should be the second one. But I want to see at least price close above the EMAs on daily, and then on 4 hour the same thing, and inside here the same thing on 30 minute. Yeah, so I'll write down Tesla, of course nothing. Google nothing. Coinbase nothing. Of course crypto is dropping, then Coinbase will drop, and etc. Microsoft also nothing to do. Bank of America nothing to do. Walmart, yeah. Check out MSTR. Yeah, nothing to do, unfortunately. Actually, I had a trade right here. If I can pull it up, yeah. Actually, the trade was right here. Something like this. Yeah. So this was a good trade. This was at this point, it was November last year. On stocks I was trailing. I wasn't closing full trade at 1 to 4. I was just trailing entry, especially only in stocks. But yeah, I just decided to not do that because I just like to take my profits faster, and yeah. But yeah, this was nice trade. And after that I didn't get any. Imagine, basically I took an entry here, and for 120 days I have not taken any more trades on this market, because it just doesn't set up like I need it to. Basically in here, once we made this MB, I was looking at it right here, we broke down again. We made an MB right here, I was looking at it, I think it just gapped and I didn't have anything, we broke down, and here possibly I was looking at the entries here, but I don't remember. Basically I didn't have any entries for 120 days. That's the beauty of it. You enter in the market once there is context and once it is moving, and then of course when you enter there is still of course possibilities that you will take a loss, you know. For example, my whole journal since October, 30% of the times when I take, actually 60% of the times I take an entry, it is a break even or a loss, and only 36% of the times it's a win. So most of the times I take an entry, I don't make money. But at the end of the day, this month I'm up 50k on my personal account. So yeah, there's every trade documented, every fucking trade. So yeah, here's actually our 10k journal. Yeah, actually this, let's write down Euro stocks. We took it something like this. Yeah. Yeah, so we have a lot of wins. Yeah, market isn't doing anything actually. It's just stagnating, so I'll be back once something happens in the market. So I'm back, and basically I will end this episode right now, because yeah, market will close soon, and And yeah, we're still in this trade. I will hold it overnight, we'll see what happens. And yeah, I just need 0.8 hour and I will move my stop on a break even. And then of course 1 to 2 hour I will take off 1 hour, and then 1 to 4 hour, and I will close full position. So that's the game plan as always, nothing new. But yeah, then Hong Kong for tomorrow looks nice. Had its flush. If it wants to continue its bullish move and doesn't want to flush even deeper and then set up new moves, then it will probably do something like this and we could enter or something like that. So we'll see. Then French index, I will not take it anymore, but for tomorrow looks very nice. Had its some kind of flush, not the big one, but still a flush below the EMAs, liquidated some kind of lows. So yeah, made the first MB, making the second. So for tomorrow this looks nice. Then UK 100 basically, yeah, also making that first MB, pause MB, and we are going taking an entry higher. Yeah, DAX same thing. Yeah, so gold need a flush at the moment to extend it. Need something like this, and like always. So yeah, that's basically it for now, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.